आणि आता पुराय खबरो. वेंचणूक आयोगाची पूर्व तयारी जाल्ली आसा. जिल्हा परिषद व पंचायत वेंचणुकांची तारीख सरकारान वेंचणूक आयोगाकडेन उलोवन थारावपाची आसता. तारीख थारल्या उपरांत वेंचणूक आयोग वेंचणूक वेळापत्रक तयार करता आनी तें मतदारां मेरेन पावयता. 22 मार्चाक वेंचणूक जातली. मतदारसंघाच्यो थारिल्ल्यो सिमाज तश्योच उरतल्यो. म्हळ्यार ह्या फावट परिसीमन जावचें ना म्हणपाचे वेंचणूक आयुक्त R.K. श्रीवास्तव हांच्यांनी सांगला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली.
See, the conduct of Jilla Panchayat election, or for that purpose even village Panchayat election, the responsibility to appoint a date for holding the election is assigned to the government. The government, in consultation with the commission, fixes a date for election. So that is within their domain. After the date is fixed, then the election commission prepares a schedule of holding election process, I will say, process per se, and that schedule is notified by the commission. As of now, as the situation stands, the government has appointed 22nd of March 2020 as the date for holding the poll. The delimitation of ZP constituencies, which was done in 2015, has been retained. That means there is no fresh delimitation. Reservation of constituencies has to be notified by the government. This is again within the powers of the government. We have reminded them, and they should have done it earlier, but we hope that it should be done very quickly. As on the part of Election Commission, we are responsible for making the preparation of the electoral rolls, which all my 15 returning officers have prepared. Yesterday they have also notified it. So as far as the Election Commission is concerned, we are fully prepared to hold the election. We are just awaiting the reservation of constituency, that notification for the government. Thereafter we will go ahead for announcement of schedule. On our part, we have started our election process. Today ROs and AROs, there is a training program organized. I was there in the morning. So we have started all the exercises, and hopefully as soon as the government does it, we will be able to take a decision on announcement of schedule. We are ready to hold the poll on 20th of March.
So how many RO, AROs can you notify?
Generally, one RO for each taluka we appoint. That is the norm. But since Ponda taluka was having lot many ZP constituencies, it was difficult for him to handle sizable number. So for Ponda taluka, there will be 2 ROs. Otherwise, each taluka will have 1 RO and 1 AR.